The history of flight, from birds to spacecraft. Flight has captivated humanity for millennia. Birds soaring gracefully across the sky have inspired myths, dreams, and eventually, scientific breakthroughs. Our journey into the skies began as an imitation of nature, and over centuries, evolved into a remarkable legacy of innovation, courage, and curiosity. In this video, we'll explore the incredible evolution of human flight, from ancient inspirations to groundbreaking space exploration. Our fascination with flight starts with birds. Ancient civilizations observed their effortless flight and wove stories steeped in mythology and imagination. The Greek myth of Icarus, who dared to fly too close to the sun with wings made of wax and feathers, is one of the earliest examples of humankind's yearning for flight, and its cautionary tale. But myths eventually gave way to invention. During the Renaissance, Leonardo da Vinci sketched detailed designs for flying machines, like the ornithopter, inspired by flapping wings. Although his inventions never took off, they symbolized a pivotal shift, from dreaming about flight to designing machines that could achieve it. In the 18th and 19th centuries, a more scientific understanding of flight began to emerge. Sir George Cayley, often called the father of modern aerodynamics, studied the principles of lift, drag, and thrust. He designed the first fixed-wing gliders and theorized the mechanics needed for successful human flight. By the late 19th century, German aviation pioneer Otto Lilienthal expanded on Cayley's work. Known for his daring experiments with gliders, Lilienthal conducted over 2,000 flights. His work proved that humans could control flight, paving the way for the next major breakthrough. In 1903, Orville and Wilbur Wright achieved what many had thought impossible: the first controlled, sustained-powered flight. Their aircraft, the Wright Flyer, was a marvel of engineering, featuring precision controls, an innovative wing design, and a lightweight engine. The brothers' 12-second flight in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, on December 17, 1903, changed everything. It wasn't merely a mechanical triumph. It marked a moment when humanity realized its ability to conquer the skies. The Wright brothers' methodical testing and incremental improvements laid the foundation for the aviation industry that would soon flourish. The decades following the Wright brothers' success saw rapid advancements in aviation. Early aviators like Louis Blériot, who became the first to cross the English Channel by plane in 1909, and Harriet Quimby, the first woman to earn a pilot's license, captivated the public with their daring achievements. The development of aviation faced a major challenge during World War I, but this period also brought significant innovation. Aircraft were transformed into tools of war, used for reconnaissance, dogfights, and strategic bombing. By the end of the war, the world understood the potential of aviation, not just for combat, but for connecting nations. In the 1920s and 1930s, aviation evolved from daring stunts and wartime technology to a means of transportation. Airlines like Pan Am and Imperial Airways began offering passenger services. Aircraft designs shifted from open cockpits to enclosed cabins, improving comfort and reliability. Milestones of this era include Charles Lindbergh's solo transatlantic flight in 1927 and Amelia Earhart's record-breaking achievements, pushing the boundaries of what air travel could accomplish. By the mid-20th century, advancements like jet engines and pressurized cabins brought faster, more efficient aircraft, revolutionizing the way people traveled. With the skies conquered, humanity turned its gaze to the stars. The groundwork for space exploration was laid by visionaries like Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, who theorized the principles of rocketry, and Robert Goddard, who built and tested the first liquid-fueled rockets. World War II saw the development of the German V-2 rocket, a precursor to spacefaring technology. But it was the launch of Sputnik by the Soviet Union in 1957 that officially ushered in the space age. The first artificial satellite's successful orbit of Earth was a monumental achievement, sparking a fierce competition between the United States and the Soviet Union to achieve new milestones in space exploration. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin of the Soviet Union became the first human to venture into space, orbiting Earth aboard Vostok 1. His flight marked the beginning of human space exploration, proving that we could survive beyond our planet. The United States soon responded with NASA's Apollo program. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. Armstrong's iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," captured the magnitude of this achievement. Since the moon landing, we have continued to push boundaries in space. Mars rovers, the International Space Station, and exploratory missions to distant planets and moons have expanded our understanding of the universe. What started as an effort to fly above the clouds now extends to exploring other worlds. Looking at the history of flight, it's remarkable how closely it's intertwined with our observation of nature. The way birds use the air is central to understanding flight dynamics and inspired many early inventors. Science turned dreams into reality, while imagination kept pushing the boundaries of possibility. Today, aviation and aerospace industries have reached incredible heights. Hypersonic jets promise faster than ever travel, while reusable rockets like SpaceX's Falcon 9 make space exploration more sustainable. The drive that turned bird-inspired myths into spacecraft remains strong. The history of flight is, ultimately, a story of human ingenuity, determination, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown. From observing birds to designing machines that could defy gravity, to reaching out to other planets, every chapter in this story is a testament to humanity's unyielding drive to achieve the impossible. As we continue to innovate, the next steps may involve colonizing Mars or exploring the outer reaches of our solar system. Each bold endeavor will add a new page to the story of flight, inspiring future generations to dream and achieve. Remember, our journey from birds to spacecraft is more than history. It's a reflection of what we can accomplish when curiosity meets perseverance. Thank you for joining us on this educational adventure into the history of flight. Stay curious and keep dreaming.